everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 173 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the new e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil, and I recently picked this up from Ulta. I know this seems like a product that I would find at the Dollar Tree, but I bought this at Ulta. It was only $2 though. It comes in 3 different colors. I picked it up in the shade Taupe. I'm really excited to try this out because it was so highly rated on Ulta.com, and I just feel like I'm still on an eyebrow product journey. Like, I love eyebrow makeup. I feel like if I were to go to an island and I could only bring one makeup product, I would choose an eyebrow product, but I'm still trying to find my perfect product to fill in my eyebrows. I have some good ones, but I just feel like I'm still needing to try out more and really explore what's out there, and this one seems like a product I will really like. I also love that e.l.f. does not test on animals. I love that this has the brush on one end and a pencil that twists up so you don't have to sharpen it on the other end, and it's also a very small, precise tip. Let's see how it swatches the color. Okay, great. So it's like a light brown, but if I press down harder, it gets darker. But if I use very light hand, it can be a very light shade to be good for blonde eyebrows. That's also good for if you kind of want to do an ombre effect. I just think I look so funny and incomplete without my eyebrows done. Like, they're so light. All right, so that's a nice brush. And then I'm just going to use small, light strokes to fill in my desired shape. I really like the amount of pigment with this pencil because it shows up with just a little bit of pressure, but it's not too much that it's creating these harsh lines. I end up brushing my eyebrows out so many times with the spoolie as I'm filling them in. It really just helps to really blend in the pigment. Oh, this is looking so nice already. Definitely let me know in the comments down below what your one makeup product would be if you could only bring one. I feel like 2 years ago I never would have said eyebrow pencil because I didn't even fill in my eyebrows. But now I cannot go without it. I absolutely love the color of this. And that was pretty fast for me to do my eyebrows. And I feel like it looks so good. It looks so neat, but it looks natural. Wow, this is looking great. I love how easy it is to apply. And it just blends in so nicely by just brushing through a few times. It doesn't even look like I have pencil or product in my eyebrow. It just looks so full. Let's go ahead and do the other eyebrow. Since I love having my eyebrows filled in so much, I'm always thinking like maybe I should get microblading done. Then I don't have to spend that time every day filling in my eyebrows. But I'm honestly scared of how much it would hurt because microblading kind of freaks me out that it's just like a bunch of cuts pretty much. And then I wouldn't get to try out eyebrow products on my channel like I do now. So maybe someday I would get microblading. If you've done it, I'd love to know about it. Let me know in the comments down below. It's also so expensive to do microblading, And sure, you can save time and money if you're spending lots of money on high-end eyebrow products, but this was $2 and I love how it looks, and it's been pretty quick and easy to fill my eyebrows in, so I'm like, I'm totally fine not spending hundreds of dollars on microblading when I can just spend $2 and 2 minutes filling in my eyebrows with a product like this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. Okay, here is the finished look. This is definitely a kind of natural look where I didn't make like a super precise shape. I'm not even gonna bother to go in and put concealer around it to really cut the shape. So I can definitely understand why this is so high rated. I will definitely use this as an everyday eyebrow pencil. I guess like my only downside would be it doesn't hold my eyebrow hairs in place, so I'd need some sort of gel to keep them in place, which I am used to just using a pencil and then applying a gel on top anyways. Every day I've still been using the NYX eyebrow mascara. If you want to see my video on this, I'll link it down below. And I think that's totally fine to have to use a second product on top of this. I just have like such long eyebrow hairs actually that I really need to keep them in place, or else they're like all over, like flying out all over the place. But yay, I highly recommend this brow pencil if you're looking for a new eyebrow product. Only $2, you really can't go wrong. At first I thought when they only had 3 shades that would be difficult and it wouldn't be able to suit all the ranges of hair colors, but you really can get such a variety in just this one pencil because of the pigment being so that just lightly is a light color and pressing down harder gives a darker color. So these pencils really are versatile. So yay! So far all of the products I've tried out from my recent Ulta purchase have been successful. I have many more to try out, so make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and tuning in every day. I post every day at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this way you'll be able to see all of the future products that I try out from my Ulta haul. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.